All right. Then do you admit to the alleged violations that were filed on October 1st?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Mr. King, on behalf of the state, anything from the state or the probation office regarding disposition?
Thank you, Your Honor. The state and the probation department are requesting that the defendant's community control be revoked and he be sentenced to a term of incarceration. His Claremont County conviction occurred back in May of 23 when he was on community control through this court. He initially received community control out of Claremont County. That has since been revoked. That happened in August, and he was sentenced to 12 months in prison. And that prison term is set to expire on May 13th, 2025, Your Honor. That's all. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Armentrout, anything you'd like to say?
Well, Your Honor, he's admitted everything. Whether or not he failed to contact the probation department, he was clearly convicted of an
jail time.
In May of 23, I believe. I don't know if the fact that this was initially, I think, a TCAP case. I don't know how that affects what the court.
It is still a TCAP case. Yeah.
That's clear.
Okay. Anything you'd like to say, Mr. Taylor?
No, sir.
Mr. Bolser, I didn't get the summary PSI report, but did he have jail time credit from at the time of his sentencing, or was he? Do you have a copy of it there?
I don't, Your Honor.
Ben, you need to get me the PSI reports on these.
Oh, they're not in there?
Nope, I don't know. Yeah. You remember, Mr. Taylor, how long you were in jail?
I cannot remember, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Yeah. All right, well, it is the order of the court that your community control be and is hereby revoked. I do note that you've also previously been on community control for drug offenses in Brown County and Adams County for possession of heroin, and then this case, and then the Claremont County case. And so it is ordered that you be sentenced to a term of 9 months at the Correction Reception Center or in Ohio. That'll be ordered to be served concurrently with your current sentence, since this is a TCAP case. Now, what that means, though, is that it only starts running as of today. And so I don't know how that plays out. If you're scheduled for release in May, it may be over by then, or it may extend it a little bit. I haven't bothered to do the math. And I don't know what your jail time credit is, but once we get that from the Sheriff's Department, that'll be added as well. Now, upon completion of the sentence, it is possible under the law that the Adult Parole Authority will put you under post-release control for a period of up to 2 years. If they do, you'll be supervised by a probation officer on the term set by the court. And if, a parole officer. And if the Adult Parole Authority determines that you have failed to comply, they can return you to prison to make you serve an additional period of up to half of your prison term, which would be 4.5 months for one or more violations. However, if you committed a felony, then in addition to whatever sentence a judge in the new case can impose upon you, that judge is also authorized to sentence you for committing that offense while under post-release control in this case to an additional period of a year, or whatever time is left on that period of post-release control, whichever is greater. If that occurs, that must be served consecutively to the sentence in the new case. You're also ordered to pay the court costs for which judgment granting execution is ordered. If you fail to do that, then the clerk could collect that through various means, including levying on bank accounts, wages, earnings, or other assets you may have. If that doesn't collect it, then upon completion of your prison term, not while you're in prison, the court could commit you to do community service in this county and give you credit for each hour you worked in an hourly rate set by the court. Each hour you work will reduce your judgment by that amount until paid in full. I just did receive the pre-sentence report, and at the time you were showing a jail time credit of 0, and I just reviewed the file, and it appears you were summoned for on the indictment in this case, and received an OR bond, and then received a community control sentence. And let me look here. Did you go to the STAR program?
No, I went to Pascal.
All right, so there's no jail time credit then. So 9 months will begin running today, concurrent with your sentence from Claremont County. All right, anything further from counsel?
Yeah.
All right. All right, this case number 22 CR 128, State of Ohio versus Tristan Motega Nisley. Are you Tristan Motega Nisley?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the record will reflect that on September 23rd of 2022, defendant was placed on community control on 3 4th-degree felonies, aggravated trafficking in drugs, trafficking in marijuana, 2 counts. Now, there was an entry filed, a capias issued last month, it's like on September 25th, and Mr. Nisley was apparently served with that, and I do have a notification that he was notified this morning on alleged violations of community control. It alleges, Mr. Nisley, that you have failed to report in violation of Rule 7 since August 20th, 2024. That's Rule 2, I'm sorry. And then with regard to Rule 7, alleges you violated that in that you were given a drug screen on August the 20th and tested positive for THC and alcohol. And in Rule 19A, you failed to provide documentation of completing aftercare treatment as required by the court's order. Now, you are entitled to have a hearing on this matter, and if it's found that you have failed to comply, the court can do one of 3 things. I can continue it with the same conditions that I previously ordered. I could continue it with additional conditions that I think are appropriate. Or the third and the most serious is that I could revoke your community control and sentence you to prison for between 6 and 18 months on each of the offenses, and those could be ordered to be served consecutively. So that would be a total potential of 54 months in prison. You're entitled to have counsel to represent you, and if you don't have the money to hire one, the court will appoint one for you. And I see you did fill out a financial disclosure form, so your request to court appoint counsel for you, Mr. Nisley.
Yes, sir.
All right. It says here you're getting unemployment, $112, is that correct?
Well, I get food stamps, and I think that's it.
Oh, okay, because it does say other, okay. All right, food stamps. All right. Actually, there is a specific place to check for that up above, but that's okay. All right, the court then will find that you are entitled to appointed counsel, and I'll appoint Attorney Jacob Wagner to represent you in this matter. We will set the matter for an evidentiary hearing be October the 17th. At 1 p.m. You'll be held without bail until that time. We'll notify Mr. Wagner of his appointment. You have any questions, Mr. Nicely? All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So as soon as we get Mr. Kirsch here, we'll use this blank. I don't think he's been notified. Well, I know he hasn't been notified because I got a call, and then Robert Kirsch, who got the email, is not the same guy. So hopefully, Marcia got a hold of him. Okay, this is going to be a continuation.